Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. I'm currently in the parking lot of a gas station because I needed to get gas or whatever, but I just want to take you guys with me as I make some stew for the night. So I'm gonna be making a Italian soup pasta thing that I saw. Kind of like, let's talk about new things that we want to manifest for the new year. You know what I mean? Just like in the spirits of the new year coming around the corner or whatever. So we're gonna head to Kroger to pick up some stuff, and then we're gonna head home to cook a nice little warming meal because it's a little chilly outside. Before we get into the video for real, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. And if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. I'm taking an onion, as y'all can see, and I'm just gonna cut it up. Before we do get into it though, I got this Canada Dry Fruit Splash Cherry Ginger Ale.
Jesus Christ.
That's so good. So if I'm only gonna use half an onion, which usually is the case, I just put the other half in the bag. Like such. I said I wanted to talk to you guys just kind of about New Year's goals because we are going into the new year. As I'm filming this, it's December the 11th. 20 days from the new year. As far as myself, when it comes to goals, I don't think that I definitely would like to stay consistent. Anyways, what I was saying. But if I'm gonna be honest, that's more so my goal than anything. I think that I would really more so love than anything this year for me to continue to grow in the relationships that I've made and that I've formed throughout the year. Yeah, that's my only super huge big ask when it comes to these cotton candy grapes, and I've never had them before, so I'm gonna try them. While that sizzles down, I would like to maintain a lot of the relationships that I'm ending off the year with, as well as I would like to grow in some of them. I think that more importantly for me this year is going to be kind of about like consistency and what I see for myself, as well as further, personal character development. For me, when I say character development, I more so mean like growing in the aspects of my life in which I want to grow in, such as like my business more so. I think that this year I've really gotten a lot of cool things started with my media, and I just want to continue to see where that goes or takes me in the year of 2025. I don't necessarily have any goals set yet, which is something that I need to do, and when I do start vision boarding, which is going to be coming soon, I'm going to make a whole video about my vision boarding. We'll get to see that. I also kind of want to reflect back on my vision board that I made at the beginning of this year and see what goals I did accomplish and what we can also keep striving for. One of the hardest things that I've had to learn in this year, and I feel like I will continue to learn into next year, and I feel like with new people in my life, I definitely have gained that sense of certainty. But I do feel like that's always something good to have. I kind of want to focus on the stuff that I want to stay the same. I do want to continue to pour into myself in a fitness light. I think that I've been extremely good about that this year. I think more so than anything in spending time with the people I would like to spend time with. That's pretty much my main, or those are pretty much my main goals. That's pretty much what I want. I think that some things that I really think that I fell off of from the beginning of the year is my cooking journey. I think that I've definitely developed myself as a person who cooks, and I went and I bought the books and the tools and everything to do that. But I think that with this year, I just kind of fell off of it kind of in the middle, and that's something that I want to develop more and get back into. I've realized that I've learned a lot about myself this year specifically, and that's something that I also want to continue to do in the upcoming year. I really love growing and developing as a person, and I really love being able to help you guys. One of my big goals this year is to continue to grow this platform specifically, and pour back more into y'all, and to show you guys more about like what you all do for me and everything like that. Also, something I want to talk to you guys about is my content. So what do you guys, I think this is the first year that I'm ever asking about what you guys actually think about my content. So if you would drop comments below, especially if you've been here throughout the entirety of the year. We've grown so much on this platform this year, and I really want to know what you guys like, what brought you here, why you stuck around, all that kind of good stuff. Also, tell me if you think that there are things that I could be doing better, things that you want to see done differently, anything like that. I've grown a lot as a creator specifically this year, and I think that a lot that's helped me grow with that is finding a lot of internal peace within myself. People talk a lot about how internal peace is super important, but this year specifically has told me that once you become like the best person or the best version of yourself, the most healed version of yourself, life just becomes a lot easier, a lot more simple, to be very honest with you. Going into 2025, I want to continue to be the most healed version of myself, while also growing and developing into like the most loving version of myself. This year has taught me that there are a lot of things in life that come back around, and sometimes you have to be open to the idea that things in life are like, what's meant for you is meant for you. You know what I mean? And if it's not meant for you, it won't be for you. Simply. I just realized I poured the skin into tomatoes and I'm wearing a very white shirt. Risky business. I also want to know, I'm very curious. During Vlogmas, I have been sharing more of like my intrusive internal thoughts with you all, just because I think that this is a good time of year to make people feel like they're not alone, and like you're not alone in your internal intrusive thoughts, because I have them quite often. Do you guys enjoy that? Do you guys kind of like knowing what's going on? More so, like, I'm not gonna start oversharing. I feel like I'm trying to create a healthy boundary with oversharing, but like, do you like more of these talks? You know what I mean? Let me know. I've been trying to do that throughout Vlogmas, so I will know to carry that on into the next year, or if you guys don't like it, I won't do it next year during Vlogmas. Also, do you guys like this format of Vlogmas, like a different video every single day, or did y'all prefer the weekly, or what? Just added the meatballs into the pasta soup. Now I'm gonna sit here and let it simmer for 15, I'm gonna say 14. We're gonna set a timer for 14 minutes. So after the 15 minutes and the timer goes off, you're basically just gonna add in the spinach to your pasta soup and then give that a good stir, let it cook down. And then after that happens, you are going to add in the heavy whipping cream. Just add in about what looks kind of best for you. It says a half of a cup, but I did a little bit more than that. After you stir that in, I let my pasta sit for a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna top it off with parsley and shredded Parmesan.